Napaanak naman ng wala sa oras ang isang buntis dahil sa tindi ng init at tensyon sa tent city sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Kasama ang ginang sa halos 2,000 stranded OFWs na nagkakampo ngayon sa tabi ng konsulado. May palitang nilili si Iya Kabanding.
Bandang alas 8 ng umaga noong April 27 nang unang itakbo sa Al Azizia Hospital sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia si Leah, di tunay na pangalan, ng biglang nakaramdam ng paninigas ng tiyan at dinugo habang siya ay naglalaba sa tent city. Agad namang sumaklolo ang isang volunteer nurse.
Nang dumating ako, exactly 8 o'clock in the morning, nandun ako sa labas ng MOT. Nag-titingin yung mga gawat kasi may mga ibang pasyente rin nagpapacheck sa aming surgery. So ngayon, after half an hour, tumawag nila yung buntis daw doon. Parang may pag-alangan ng mga ambulance. So, sinuntahan ko, surgery ako, tumawag surgery ng ambulance. Then after 30 minutes, dumating yung ambulance.
Nakipag-coordinate na ang ABS-CBN sa Philippine Consulate para ipasuri siya sa ospital, pero ibinalik siya sa tent city dahil wala daw silang pambayad. Mula sa Al Azizia Hospital, kinailangang ilipat si Leah sa ibang ospital dahil wala na umanong available na neonatal care.
Sinek siya ng doctor doon. Sabi, wala daw available na neonatal care para sa baby. So, pero totoo, ayaw nilang pagpapit dahil wala akong surgery.
Dahil walang masakyan, naglakas loob si Leah kasama si Jasmine at naglakad sa ospital kung saan siya dating nagpapakonsulta at may 20 minutes ang layo mula sa kanilang kinatatayuan. Pinuri siya roon pero kinailangan uling ilipat sa mas malaking ospital dahil kulang ang pasilidad doon, lalo na premature ang baby.
What pain, then if you are, if you are not reporting like that, just for 1 hour late like that, 1.5 hour late like that, maybe she will deliver on the way like that, okay? And above that, in spite of everything, above that, she is having, we did the blood test like that, okay? She is having very low hemoglobin, okay? The blood is very less. So, this is a clinic. We are not having that much facility to take normal delivery because this is, one patient is coming, they are going to deliver. Immediately, then only like that patient only we are admitting and giving treatment. Otherwise, we are shifting the patients to other hospitals.
Pero hindi na kinaya ni Leah ang lumipat pa sa ibang ospital at doon na siya napaanak.
Now you see, I told her the hemoglobin is less, like your thing. This hemoglobin is very low. I told her here no facilities are available. You have to go to the big hospital, referral hospital like that. If she takes that patient, immediately within half an hour she is delivered. What she will do? And she got the bleeding, too much bleeding. So this was it with me, and this is just. That's why we saved her because it's 7.7. If we are losing more blood, that means that lady will go for something like that, We give supporting measures, she's okay. But we don't know, we even know, and like that, he might need blood components. Now he's okay, but we don't know the remote complications. It's a female baby, 3.4 kg, delivery okay.
Pinangalanan ni Leah ang baby na Jasmine Iya sunod sa volunteer nurse na tumulong sa kanya at sa inyong lingkod na sinamahan siya hanggang manganak. Dinala sina Leah at ang baby niya sa konsulado kung saan pansamantala silang titigil habang hinihintay ang kanilang repatriation. Nagbabalita sa Middle East, Iya Estrada Kabanding, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.